Presenting Photron P10 wireless mini speaker with Bluetooth that is compact, lightweight and portable. The speaker features a 40mm woofer driver with 3 watts power output that delivers loud and clear sound to enhance your movie watching or music playback experience. The Photron P10 speaker is lightweight and compact, making it ultra portable for both indoor and outdoor use. It comes with a built-in mic that makes it capable of providing hands-free calling experience. The speaker comes with Bluetooth connectivity with up to 10-meter range. With a built-in 400 mAh rechargeable battery, the speaker provides a 3-hour playtime or a 4.5-hour talk time on single charge. It also comes with a standby time of up to 165 hours. You can connect to the speakers wirelessly through Bluetooth. It also has a 3.5mm audio line, SD card and TF card inputs for more connectivity options. The speaker comes with simple function keys to control the calls and music. The speaker is available in deep cobalt color. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.